TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms today. But the truth is, many people are still scrolling without realizing that the same app can also pay them. Instead of only watching other people's content, you can also turn your data, your time, and your creativity into something valuable. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I share practical tips on social media growth, digital tools, and animation trends to help you move smarter online. If you haven't followed this channel yet, please do so now so you don't miss future updates. Now let's go straight to the video. What this video is about. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a UK TikTok account, especially if you are not based abroad. This tutorial is to help you understand the process and do it yourself without confusion. Please make sure you follow every step carefully to avoid mistakes and to avoid wasting your data. Things you need before starting. Before we begin, there are 3 things you need to have. Number 1, a new Gmail account that has never been used to open a TikTok account. Number 2, a VPN. The one we'll be using is Windscribe VPN, available on the Play Store. Number 3, start the Chrome browser. Once these are ready, then move to the next step. Step 1, create a new Gmail account. Open your Gmail app. Click the profile icon at the top. Tap the plus sign. Then choose Create a new account. Select for myself, enter your name, and choose a Gmail username you're comfortable using for TikTok. Create a strong password and complete the setup process. Once the Gmail is created, do not use it for anything else yet. Step 2. Download and set up the VPN. Go to your Play Store, search for Windscribe VPN, download and install it. We use a VPN because TikTok reads connection signals. During account setup, open Windscribe. Sign in with your existing Google account, not the new Gmail you just created. Once logged in, search for United Kingdom. You'll see options like London Biscuit, London Custard, London Crumpet, but select London Custard. Wait a few seconds for it to connect. When you see the UK flag and the VPN icon on your notification bar, you're good to go. If you're still watching at this point, you're doing well. The next step is where most people make mistakes, so don't skip it. Step 3, important phone settings. Before moving forward, confirm these 3 things. Your phone location is turned off, your VPN is still connected, and you have enough data to finish the process. This step is very important. Skipping it can affect the account setup. Step 4. Create the TikTok account. Open your Chrome browser. Type www.tiktok.com. Do not open the TikTok app. Complete everything on the website. Click sign up, then choose sign up with Google. Select the new Gmail account you created. Once the account opens, fill in your date of birth and select any username of your choice. Tap the menu icon, go to manage account. Under the region section, you should see United Kingdom. If you see that, congratulations. Your UK TikTok account has been created with last week. Take your time with the process. Follow the steps exactly. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more tutorials on social media growth, digital tools, and animation trends. Share this video with anyone who needs it.